I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to disable biometric login for M&T Bank, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the M&T Bank app. Launch the M&T Bank mobile app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings menu. This is usually found in the profile or account section of the app. Step 3. Find biometric login. In the settings menu, look for the option related to biometric login or security settings. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Disable biometric login. You should see a toggle or checkbox for biometric login. Switch it off to disable the feature. Note, if you don't see the option, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. That's it. You've successfully disabled biometric login for M&T Bank. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.